Anxiety is a strong feeling. Many young people feel anxious today. You can learn simple ways to feel calm. This text is for learners of English. The words are easy. The ideas are clear. What is anxiety? Anxiety is worry and fear. It can make your heart beat fast. It can make it hard to sleep. It can make you feel tense. These feelings are common. You are not alone. Simple steps to feel calm. Breathe slowly. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Breathe out for 4 counts. Do this for 1 to 5 minutes. Deep breathing can slow your heart and help you feel calm. Move your body. Walk for 10 minutes. Do light exercise. Exercise helps your mood and sleep. Talk to a friend. Say how you feel. A friend can listen. Talking helps you feel less alone. Limit news and social media. Too much news can make worry worse. Check news 1 time a day. Use a quiet place. In Salvador, try a short walk on the beach or a calm park. Nature can help you relax. Daily habits for less anxiety. Sleep well. Go to bed at the same time. Sleep helps your brain. Eat simple meals. Drink water. Eat fruits and vegetables. Plan small tasks. Make a short list. Do one thing at a time. This makes your day clear. Practice mindfulness. Sit quietly for 2 minutes. Notice your breath. Mindfulness helps you stay in the present. Short practice you can do now. 1. Sit in a chair. 2. Close your eyes. 3. Breathe in 4 counts. 4. Hold 4 counts. 5. Breathe out 4 counts. Do this 3 times. You may feel calmer. When to get more help? If anxiety is strong or long, get help. Talk to a health worker or a counselor. They can give more support. If you have trouble with work, school, or sleep, ask for help. Professional help is a good step. Tips for learning English while you cope. Read short texts about feelings. Write 1 sentence about your day. Speak with a friend in English for 5 minutes. Use simple words to say how you feel. Final note, small steps can make a big change. Use breathing, movement, and talking every day. Be kind to yourself. You can learn to manage anxiety with practice.